Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up GitLab CI for Python pipeline builds, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up GitLab CI for Python pipeline builds, start by creating a new repository in GitLab. Navigate to your GitLab account and click on New Project. Choose to create a blank project or import an existing one. Once your project is ready, open the repository in your preferred code editor. Next, create a new file in the root directory named .gitlabci.yml. This file will define your CI/CD pipeline configuration. Begin by specifying the image to use for your pipeline. For Python, you can use the official Python Docker image. Add the line image Python 3.9 to your .gitlabci.yml file. Next, define the stages of your pipeline. Add stages followed by build and test. Now, let's set up the build stage. Create a new job under the build stage. Name this job build. Define the script that installs dependencies for your project. You can do this by adding script followed by pip install our requirements.txt. Next, move on to the test stage. Create another job, naming it test. This job will run your tests after the build. Add the script to run your tests, like script followed by pytest. If your tests require any specific environment variables, you can define them in the variables section. Consider also setting up caching to speed up subsequent runs. Add a cache section with paths pointing to your virtual environment or package directories. Your completed .gitlabci.yml file should define both build and test jobs, along with image, stages, and cache settings. Once you have configured the .gitlabci.yml file, save it and push your changes to the GitLab repository. GitLab will automatically trigger a pipeline for your commit. You can monitor the progress of your pipeline in the CI/CD section of your project. If everything is set up correctly, the build and test jobs should execute sequentially. In case of any issues, review the job logs for debugging. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.